Welcome to Himalaya Siddha Kriya Yoga. Many people taken Karma Sannyas Diksha. Yes, some people are practicing well. Still some people got doubts. What are the steps to be followed? What are the precautions to be followed? Like this people are asking. Our grandmasters, Sadgurus, many gurus, they already told about Karma Sannyasa written. Our beloved Divine Guruji, Sri Satyananda Saraswati, Guru Parampara is very powerful. He wrote about this Karma Sannyasa system and rules, like he told how to follow behavior, how we have to behave as a Karma Sannyas. What are the steps to be taken? He told, let us know it. Attend all your duties with the attitude of Karma Yogi and observe the following steps. He is telling, do not cause pain or injury to anyone in thought, word or deed. Yes, you should not harm to anybody. Should not think about others negative or anything. You should not do that injury to anybody, anyone through thought, word or deed. Mata. You should not use your word even. Action also should not be should not act, should not use word, should not think. It will harm others. So should not do that. Try to live on whatever you receive or earn without craving for more. Yes, you have to manage yourself. Whatever you got, you'll be happy. You will enjoy that. Don't crave for anything. I want more. That is a very problem for a karma sannyasi. This should not be there. Whatever God give you, you manage yourself. Perform all works without being attached to their fruits. Yes, should not expect the work for results. Results they will come on their own way. Should not attach to result. Just you do on your own way. You do it as per your capacity, understanding. You go on doing. Result God will give, Sadguru will give. So don't mind that about result. Just mind how I am doing, what way I am applying my totality. You have to understand. Remain calm and collected during happiness and sorrow, honor and dishonor. Yes, balancing nature. When you get happy or sorrow, be equal. Just balance. Anybody, maybe some people honor you or dishonor you. No problem. You be detachable, and with understanding you have to live. Just you do your work, this thing. Be calm, always be calm and observe the things. You live yourself. Om Siddha Kriya Babaji Namaha. Siddha Kriya Babaji Namaha. Be intensely aware of yourself and accept yourself. This is most important. You must be aware of your status. Yes, you must what I am, how I am, where I am. Yes, you have to know yourself. So you have to question yourself and accept yourself, whatever it may be. Yes, I am okay. This is okay. It is not harmful to anybody. So it is. You accept, first of all. You accept your minus and plus and everything that is required here. Do not depend on anything or anybody other than yourself. Always believe yourself, follow yourself. Depend on you, not others. If you depend on others, you will lose your freedom. So this is also must for karma sannyasi. Try to eradicate the feeling of I-ness and mindness. Yes. I is very danger, ahankara bhava. So I-ness also you must eradicate, remove it, and mine, it is mine, it is mine, it is mine. This selfishness and self-centeredness we have to eradicate. We must be careful. Think of yourself as a tool or a medium of the Supreme Self or Paramatma. Yes, always I am the instrument of Paramatma. I am medium of Paramatma. I am not at all anything. I am already surrendered, given myself to Paramatma or my Sadguru or universe. I am zero here. Whatever I am doing, He is making me to do. Like that we have to think ourselves. Exercise truthfulness without harming others. This is most important. To be true. Be truthfully you live it. Always don't hide yourself. Yes, should not hide. Be truthful always and don't harm to anybody. Avoid temptation and accept opportunities when they knock at your door. Yes. So you have to avoid temptation. Should not tempted by the things outside, worldly things. So you must be careful and accept opportunities when they come on their own way. You accept it. Don't try for it. If it coming, it is knocking your door. You open the door and invite it, that opportunity, and try to enjoy that, work it. Okay. Practice brahmacharya to the extent possible, both in thought and deed. Yes, brahmacharya is most important. All gunas, indriyas are connected with that. So, in thought and deed also, we must practice brahmacharya, should not miss it. Cultivate a sweet disposition towards friends and enemies. With everybody, friends and enemies, you be sweet, you be cool and calm, lovingly, affectionately. You have to behave and deal them and educate them, required, or be friendly. Yes, that's all. Even enemies also. It costs you nothing and brings rich dividends to you in return. It won't cost anything, but you will get richness, spiritual richness. Atma Shakti, Atma Jnana, Atmanandam, bliss you will enjoy. These are the qualities mainly very important for karma sannyasins. Thank you. I love you.